Hater, let the rest of us have a turn.
See, now we see how much better high-speed chases are with the open-wheel cars.
All right.
Dad, dansat naman ka. Ay, diyet kong ibisa.
Check.
Well, technically, to consider these missions mastered, you'd have to place first in each of them. Which, you haven't.
I bet you're after Professor Z's intel, aren't you?
Yeah, well, joke's on you. Acer's guarding it with his life.
I thought you had it.
Don't tell me you left it at the drop-off point. You better beat these losers there before they swipe it.
The most famous race car, Mr. Lightning McQueen. So let's get this show on the road.
Let's go.
Ladies and gentle cars, welcome to the Radiator Springs Grand Prix. And boy, it's going to be a humdinger of a race, too.
Yeah, it's cool, but it wasn't.
Lightning McQueen's mouth runs much too fast, while his tires run much too slow.
It's a dog.
Hey, kid! You ready to go after the Piston Cup?
Yeah, showtime.
Well, you said it. Just as soon as you get some practice. Well, you've been taking it kind of easy around town for a while now, so we got to get you back into shape before the new season starts. Besides, they just don't let any...
Mas é posso esquecer, caso casual.
Hey,
Ana,
what
caso casual, uau. Go.
Ladies and gentle cars, welcome to the Radiator Springs Grand Prix. And boy, it's going to be a humdinger of a race, too. Check out them fancy racing outfits. Yep, we got some familiar faces. And some new guys, too.
I say, lovely day to rip it up on a small-town track, eh?
And of course, we got my best friend here to Radiator Springs' most famous race car, Mr. Lightning McQueen. So let's get this show on the road.
Lightning? Are you in there? Lightning!
What? Downshift. Checker flag.
Lightning! Wake up!
Oh, what? Did I win?
I think you were dreaming.
Oh. Yeah, I was dreaming about a race.